I keep slipping into this strange dissonance, this tug of war inside my chest. Some days I can breathe, I can plan, I can imagine a tomorrow that feels steady, and then a single trigger, and I'm spiraling for weeks, questioning every memory, interrogating every choice, wondering if I should be guilty for things I never even thought about. For years, they told us, release what does not serve you. Do not stand for disrespect. If they call you names, if they blame you for everything, that is their poison, not yours. Do not pour it into empty hands that only take. Demand reciprocity. Speak your needs. Speak your boundaries. Speak your truth. And those who love you will meet you there. But now, the narrative has shifted. The voices are louder. Chase her, forever chase her. Beg her until your final breath. Dig through your soul to unearth offenses you never knew you committed. Bleed clarity from yourself until you're hollow. She can slam the doors. She can decide that my existence itself is offensive. But if I move on, if I grieve, if I let go, they whisper, abandon her. Tell me, how do I live in this paradox? Some children step back kindly. Mine is not kind. She will not talk. She insists she has borne it all, every ounce of labor, every ounce of responsibility. But I know the truth. I bent. I broke. I silenced myself. I carried the weight of us both. I was codependent, always available, always accommodating, even when it put me in danger, even when it erased me. And still, it was never enough. If she broke what mattered to me and I dared to speak, I became the villain. And yet, we stayed close in proximity, but never in reciprocity. I have apologized again and again. I have told her, I am sorry I wasn't the mother you needed. I can listen, but bring me your truth with kindness so I can hold it fully. And what did she bring? Beratement, pathology, accusation, narcissist. So now, what path is left? If I move forward in grief, I'm accused of abandonment. If I keep reaching out every few months, a message, a thread of hope, I stay strangled, a chokehold around my heart until my last breath. I can't tell anymore. Does my pain bring her pleasure? Or is she silently suffering? If she's suffering, I'll stay, I'll wait, I'll endure. But if she has no empathy, if she revels in the power of watching me writhe, what then? If this were a partner, a man, the world would scream, leave, run, save yourself. He is toxic. But because this is my child, they keep telling me to keep sacrificing, to lay my mind, my body, my very breath on the altar of her silence. Tell me, is this what we're doing now? Is this the measure of love? I truly want to know because I can't seem to find the way forward in this endless